National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Jasper County in southeastern South Carolina until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Tarboro, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Ridgeland, Grahamville, Coosawhatchee, Old House, Highland, Tillman, Tarboro, Gillisonville, Robertsville, and Switzerland. This warning includes Interstate 95 in South Carolina between mile markers 18 and 32. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Report damage directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so.